Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We're going to use another figure from the Anatomy and Physiology OpenStax textbook to help us now with our tooth anatomy. We are going to combine this image with the model of the tooth that we have available to us in lab. But the nice thing about this image is that it does provide us with a little bit more detail. The overall two main parts of the tooth are going to be the crown and the root. And then between the two, we're going to see the neck. The outer most portion of the tooth is the enamel. And then next we have this bone-like substance known as dentin. And then here we can see the tooth sitting in the jaw. This would be the gum or gingiva. And if we continue moving in, we get to this cavity known as the pulp cavity. And this pulp cavity, we're going to have our blood vessels and our nerves, and those are going to also run down into this root canal. Outside of the dentin is an even harder bone-like substance known as cementum. I'm going to draw my own line in here to represent that covering that's going to be outside of the dentin. And then we have these ligaments here that are going to help hold the place alongside this cementum. And they are known as the periodontal ligaments. You can think about cementum like cement. That plus these ligaments is going to help to hold the tooth in place in the jaw.